good side.
Yeah, he's on the good side.
Yeah.
Is that you? Let me say something. Let me talk. Yeah, yeah. Hey, look, playing a butter rim. Yeah, he really him.
Oh, it's been a long time coming, Jules. Sorry, but I'm here.
I got another client from San Antonio.
Oh yeah.
Hispanic kid.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. He just moved here. Y'all gonna have to link up.
Ain't no telling. He just might be here the next time I come. It's so long that I can't even sponge it no more.
Yeah, it's ready to dread up. That's why.
I was telling my girl to do something to me, twist me up, lock me up or something. She's like, "You want to do that?" She's like, "You don't want to do that." She's like, you know, she's saying it ain't even gonna lay down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, it probably won't lay down the first week. You know what I mean? But as it grows and loosens up, it might do something.
Yeah.
And then what did she say? She told me, why don't I do the hood hairstyle? I'm trying to remember who she said. Who did she say? I wanted to say she told me to just keep going and get cornrows on the top.
Oh yeah?
Like some old Jimmy Butler type shit, how he had his
yeah.
type shit.
Yeah.
And my first natural response was, man, I don't like when niggas wear braids and fade. I don't like when niggas wear braids and I don't like niggas with braids and a fade. It was just my natural response.
Yeah.
I don't know, you know. Damn, is that discriminant or is it just a hairstyle that I think looks awkward?
Man, that's
I don't
just
know.
your opinion.
Yeah, that's just my opinion.
Yeah.
That's just my opinion. Why am I trying to explain myself?
Now you know what I'm saying? You gotta watch your girl around Jimmy Butler. Yeah. Jimmy Butler-ish guys.
Yeah, nah, I really don't like niggas with braids.
For real. Yeah, so every time you see one, you gotta let it. Oh, so you like him?
Yeah.
What you think about him? Yeah, that's crazy.
It's funny. I've never been braided up in my life.
Oh, for real?
I never grew my hair that long.
Oh, you might have to do it then.
Just for the one time.
Just for the one time. It's bucket list situations now.
Right. Just to say we did it in life.
I'm saying, because sometimes you never know. You never know who you could have been.
Right.
You know?
That's true. That's true.
Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I got to barber school,
Yeah.
that's when I finally got the right haircut. My whole life, I had been rocking the taper,
Right.
and I supposed to be getting the bald fade. But
Yeah.
that fit my head the best every time.
Right, like how you had the cut right there in that photo? Is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that boy changed up in that photo right there.
It was supposed to be a bald fade, bro. I've been getting low tapers and all that. Trying to have waves. I was supposed to have a bald fade the whole time.
Yeah.
I'm like, dang, bro.
That's something. That's what it is about that paper.
And now I figured it out. Was, you know, in barber school, I was getting every kind of haircut, just trying stuff out.
Right.
Oh, give me a low fade today. Give me a mid fade. Give me a bald fade. And I'm like, oh, snap. And I got that one. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
So I've been playing myself.
It's just little stuff that you don't even consider, like the Wi-Fi, the TV channels, family having to cross that border. Don't let one of them have a case. So just those little things that, you know, like the food seasoning is different. You know, as far as that's what I meant. I wasn't saying it makes you, it puts you in a position like, bro, we close, right? And that's what I needed at that time, where I was dealing with so much. And I was like, this is my last year. I'm gonna do this for a year. And I'm out of here. But y'all did have a group out there. Yeah, but that was the thing, like, we seen that in Lou, we was like, man, I remember you complaining about winning 6 men and all that. So we made it a thing to make sure he got it. That's how much. See, a lot of people don't forget. A lot of people don't know I was runner up 3 times before I won my first. Yeah. So this is a crazy thing. This is like some real insightful shit that we knew. Like, that was one thing that was heavy on him that, you know, he didn't directly have to express to him, but you could tell him doctor that, but we was like, man, fuck this. We right, and we gonna make sure we pay. That was nothing with my work. Yeah. You know, we won those 3 years. They the hottest thing smoking. We the wedding crashing. We pulling up and we gonna crash. So building a culture like that and being there so long, you retire, you know you retiring as a Toronto Raptor. Hard question is, how did that shit feel when you build something like that? When you so intricate, and then the next year it worked out for them in a trade and they did that shit. Yeah, I mean, it hurt. It hurt like a motherfucker because that shit hurt me for you. Yeah, like I remember even when I got traded, like, you hit me, I remember you said something out publicly about it, but, you know, it hurt because damn what outside people may say, you know how, you know, it was for us eternity, how hard we rode for that place, you know what I mean? And how much we put into it and how much that shit used to affect us if something didn't work out or if we lost the game, whatever it may be. So we was all in. Yeah, we was all in. It was like, you know, especially for me, being under y'all at that time, I was, you know, that was the only place I knew. You know, obviously, you had came over, Cal had came, all the guys that we were supposed to already.
The Rose in the Chicago game this year?
Like,
I don't even know.
So for me, it was,
I would imagine
this
so.
is all I knew. This is all I
imagine if there ain't trade, I would have heard about it.
I don't think they're gonna let him go.
Right.
That's a mind fuck. Yeah, so it fucked with me heavy
They're gonna have to
for a
get
while.
somebody if they do.
It was like, you know, I started to put the blame on myself. Like,
He's
man,
been live in every uniform.
was I not good enough? Like,
Of course, it's hard to Toronto. I like him in San Antonio.
Like, you start having internal doubt, whatever it may be.
Nobody really wants to stay in San Antonio like that. It's always good to just go through the system.
Like, now this false perception is painted like I was the issue the whole time.
It's something about the
like,
San
you know what I
Antonio
mean? Like,
program that, like,
double down.
I don't want to say it breeds greatness, but it's like,
Don't get me wrong, like, I was happy for the guys that I played with, that won it, that place, that city.
That shit just
it take you back to the basics. You know what I mean?
It's a fundamentally
fundamental
organization.
Exactly.
That's why they got a lot of foreign people that succeed over there. That's really what they're looking for.
Exactly.
That's what they be looking for.
You know what I mean? From Frankie,
Exactly.
Cal, Norm, to Pastor, like all those guys
A
that
lot
I
of
played
players when they leave
with
San
hit me first
Antonio.
before anything.
Yeah,
You know what I
they
mean?
do
Like
it.
little shit like that.
I don't even be salty when we lose some good players like that.
For me, that kind of like
What's his name? DeWante Murray,
got everything off my shoulders.
DeRozan left. You know,
You got
I don't even be
teenage
fucking
life.
about it.
Right.
I just understand. That's just.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I don't know, because it took me there because what he said, why it took me there
That's
because
just a
I'm like,
natural
bro,
quest
it can't be anybody in the
of
NBA
a player
that
like that. If
Butler.
they
Right.
ain't playing basics first basketball,
You know what I'm saying?
then
I'm like,
It's not gonna work.
I mean, it'll work, but it's not meant to be for longer than a couple of years. You know what I mean?
some bets.
Yeah, now looking back when you was young, you was like, that shit went, that shit went cool. I say some names. I'll put an address on it. There you go. I ain't fuck with Eric Snow,
Okay.
and I ain't fuck with Rick Bronson.
Okay.
I'll put both of them in context though. All right, let's go. Rick was just an old head that seen a kid that he just wanted to fuck with. If you know Rick, right, regularly. He just fucked with people. That's just it. You know what I'm saying? He just stayed on me. Just stayed on me. And he didn't really mean no harm, but I'm a sensitive 18-year-old kid. And this dude keep fucking with me every day. You understand what I'm saying? Like, bro, like, you keep fucking, like, he didn't mean no harm looking back. I'm sure Rick, he didn't think twice about my ass after that shit, you know, but as a kid navigating your way through that shit.
What are you talking about? Rick Fox?
I think that's what he's talking about.
Can't be talking about Rick.
Cause he's talking about Eric Snow.
Oh yeah.
And Eric Snow, that was Philly, huh?
What's that?
Oh, that's Lakers. Eric Snow played for the Lakers too, huh?
Yeah, that had to be.
Yeah, cause Eric Snow and Rick, they was on the Lakers together, yeah. Cause I don't think Rick played for Sixers.
That was probably like my favorite bet, bro. Like I used to love just being around them old heads, especially Reggie. Old country.
Shout out Reggie. I seen Reggie put hands on a gang of motherfuckers.
Shout out Reggie.
Reggie stood on respect, man. What's your style of bet? Like, now that you the old man in the locker room, and I'm sorry to say, it is what it is.
I'm sorry to say this.
You know, that's the thing when you negotiate, and they don't call me out. I'm trying to get this little deal.
It's money, huh?
Yeah.
No, for real.
Listen, dog.
Nah, especially in our little group chat, it's only 2 of us left still playing, right?
Oh, sure. 2 out of 5.
Yeah, 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5. You don't tell, right?
Yeah, Cat, we don't know, so every time we get in a group chat, text me.
And shout out down there, fucking oldest on
Cat,
that.
he know, he ready.
He act like old ass man, too. Golf all day.
All day.
Old as shit.
So,
Shout out to Dog, man.
shout out to my dog, Cal. Nah, my best style, bro, like, I'm just taking all the youngies more than anything, bro. Like, whatever city you get to, mandatory eating downstairs, 15 minutes up, put your bag down. You're going to go eat, and you know, eating chicken wings, and you know, are you going to a restaurant? You going to healthy food? Like, healthy? No, not even nice restaurant. You going to a nice restaurant, okay. Get you a nice meal. You ain't about to do the hotel. You about to go to a nice show in the road. Yeah, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm walking through that. You know, you took me from the show that goes down to call you a food truck. So, you know, it's crazy. That was definitely a possibility. It was in there. Like, it was in there. It's sure a possibility. I think if DC don't go there, it's not a possibility. Yeah, I love DC. I don't want when DC let me in that city. I don't want to spend all that money. I'm counting money. I'm not spending. I'm just saying, when we're there,
This motherfucker got salary cap watching.
all because of the body. All because of us.
What? That's all of them.
Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
You gotta go out there. Get off your chair.
I be saying it.
You ain't seen me chair?
No. So the people that would do they want me to go for.
You be seeing subliminal. Oh, you just be liking the video.
I already know Jerome will say something recent about the old train Jerome. You don't even follow when you see some of my people that I say like, I'm a big yeah, I know, as you should be right. So I'm always tweeting about it. So if you ever say this, you say, I like to say this, it's okay for my case. I got one thing to do is that you is not something that I think there's gonna have to be a big man to go against like this.
Can you imagine him if he fight somebody with coach and he fight it? It was coach. Right? But you it's a hit. You like something. All right, you got the ball at bad spot.
It's working. It's cool.
Now, but going to second,
You know what's crazy?
You smiling, huh? What's up? Alright, bro.
Alright. I didn't see that coming. Yeah, it happened. I was like, see the smile on my face. I was gonna shut up for a while. I knew the next one was on the way. Why are you smiling so like?
I was coming out of the trap. When he
got drafted. You mad about a draft set? Yeah, because, you know, me and Iggy always been cool since we were 60, so he said, hey, man, youngin' don't like you talking about these draft sets. I gotta see this. I gotta see Joe. Can we find this draft set? I gotta see this. I gotta see this draft set. Well, go ahead, bro. So, Harrison Barnes.
You ever done a what's that fade call where all the hair is right here and everything
South side.
Is that a south side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ever done one of them?
Yeah. They not, a lot of people don't get it because you gotta really have a head for it.
Yeah, you do.
It's a certain head that the best on, but they actually a lot harder than they look. I don't know if it look harder with, but
no, I do.
No, I thought it looked easy to me. Until I did it.
Yeah.
Then I was like, oh. I kind of got caught up because you fading like an abnormal way, like instead of how I'm fading up like this, I'm fading down the whole time like that.
Yeah.
Forward on somebody's head, like when I cut like that on somebody's head, I'm cutting the hair off the top, but I'm fading it with it. Like it was weird. It was an adjustment. I got it down though.
You said you gotta have a head.
Yeah.
Catch on everything else.
Well, he'll catch it. I'm trying to say it without saying it. I gotta say it. Well, you know,
What's that other crazy little fade?
Well respected.
Not the south side, but it's like a mullet. No, not a mohawk. I forgot about the mohawk.
I just did one other day. That's the video for the post actually. Tonight, you know.
But I know you don't like attention like that.
So what's that fade that Dallas boys be wearing? Where it look like
that's
a
a
mullet?
shag.
The shag. Have you ever cut a shag?
Yeah. Because that ain't your style.
But that's the thing, like,
That's
you know, it's
dope.
great for showing the play.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Like, nah, I'm about to go out here and play 35 minutes a game now. You know? That's just me.
No Steph, no Bron, no KD.
That's what I'm saying. He gonna be the old head at the time. He like.
Is that you? Let me say something. Let me talk. Yeah. Hey, look, playing